Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add product short description under the product title in number of character limits in WooCommerce archive pages in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display product short description in number of character. Now you see we set limit 25, so you can add limit according to your requirement. And then you see class description. If you want to add some styling, so you can use this class. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page, refresh the page. So this is our archive pages. And then you see short description with 25 number of character limit. Now go to category page, so click on it, and also you see product short description on category pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.